Well, greetings, friends and family. Thank you for joining me today. I'm wishing around with Leslie. As you can see, I'm trying to get into the holiday spirit. Eyes, lips, red. Holiday. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. I hope everybody's having happy holidays and Merry Christmas or whatever it is that you celebrate. Hope everybody is also staying safe and well. So before we get started on a Boxycharm, why don't you go ahead and subscribe so we can see what kind of goodies we got in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this open. And this is the Boxycharm I got. It is Bubbles and Glitz. Boxycharm, Boxycharm, Boxycharm. And it has like glitter and champagne glasses. And I got, let's see, variation number 49 right here. So why don't you go ahead and comment below and tell me what variation you got, if you were happy with your box, or if you tried any of the products and liked them. Tell me about yours. And let's get started. We're gonna start with the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I never go in order. Reveal a soft lift from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. The lightweight multi-use formula leaves skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. It can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance the skin's radiance. Oh, really? That is like a multitasking product. Wow, okay. MSRP is $49. I do like this brand. I've had one or two of their products before, and I like them. I'm super impressed that it's also a primer. I'm gonna try that. So that means, does that mean I can skip the moisturizer and just use this as a 2-in-1? Because you know how you do moisturizer and then primer. So I mean, you skip? That would be awesome. So if you could just like totally leave out a step, that would be cool. I'm gonna try it, see what I think about it. And maybe I should, maybe this might need more attention later. We'll see. Let's see what this bottle looks like. Here it is. There's 2 fluid ounces. Not bad. Seems way smaller for way more expensive. Okay, so up next is the Viseart Seamless Eye Primer. And here it is. This Seamless Eye Primer works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear. MSRP is $24. Let's see. Wow. This is the size of it. It's 0.33 fluid ounces. I can always use more eye primer. I wonder what it looks like. Because you know how some of them are like almost flesh toned, and then some of them are almost clearish. I don't know how I feel about the clearish ones. So we'll check that out later. And this, we have the original makeup eraser, the sponge. It says first ever machine washable sponge, specially formulated by the original makeup eraser. Okay, I've tried the makeup eraser one time. I had a little one that I tried, and it was okay. Everybody seems to love them. They go really fast. It features the same unique wash tech technology to erase makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing. MSRP is $18. Let's see, let's dig a little deeper here. Multi-size droplets crafted for maximum water flow to penetrate deep into the sponge. Oh, they're talking about the little, let's see. Okay, there we go. It's a little, so here's the sponge, pretty sponge. It just feels like a sponge. And then this is like a little cat toy. I never thought about putting my, I don't know about putting my stuff in the washing machine with like regular detergent. That you know, I put wet products onto it and then onto my face. I don't know about that. I'll give it a try. If it smells too fabric softening, then I don't know, we'll see. So it says, so it talked about the droplets right there so the water can get through, and then you can, this side is to conceal, this side is to conceal, this side is to powder, and this side is for, the flat side is for foundations. Durable design, threaded to withstand the spin, tumble, and heat of the washer and dryer. I don't know, putting it in the dryer, really? Wow, I didn't realize it said dryer on it. So, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, 100% vegan, machine washable, non-toxic dye, no special cleansers, reusable, lasts up to 6 months, wet or dry application, and saves money. Okay, wet, apply, wash, dry. Okay, that's actually kind of cute. I'll have to give it a whirl and see if how it smells and feels and how I like it. Okay, so next up we have the Glamnetic Babygirl Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. So here's the packages. And okay, looking at these, I looked these up a long time ago and they were really expensive. And I've done another magnetic eyelash thing, and I can already tell you, like, these are pretty, which I'll open them so I can feel them. I'm gonna try these either way. I think these definitely need more attention to see how well they work, because I've done magnetic lashes before. They were very good quality. Anyways, go check out that video and you'll know what I'm talking about. I don't know if these are gonna live up to the quality and how well the others were able to be used. So, but we will give it a try. They're long and pretty. This is the eyeliner. Okay. So, I'm not sure how I feel about that yet. Just by the looks of them on the quality and stuff. But I will give them a try. And I will show y'all too, probably. This is what it says about the lashes. Glamnetic Babygirl Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. Get ready to be spoiled. The Babygirl is a wispy, round lash that looks natural on the eye and feels super lightweight. It's made from a high-quality, 100% vegan synthetic fiber and comes with a pair of lash anchors that help strengthen the hold and keep them in place. I do like that they're vegan and synthetic. The Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your favorite Glamnetic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all-day holds. Okay. MSRP was $63. When I saw these online, they were way more expensive. And the last but not least, it's Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions Eyeshadow Palette. Yay, I got the Amethyst one. That's what I was wanting. I don't remember what the other one was. I think, was it green or blue? Green would have been pretty too, but I've been wanting to try these. I've seen these for sale. These go like hotcakes. Heard nothing but good stuff about the brand. So, yay, I get to give it a try. Would y'all like to come on my journey with me? It's Huda Beauty. Each Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette is packed with a selection of 9 highly pigmented mattes and striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. Amethyst has 6 duochrome and 3 matte shades in commanding mauve and violet tones. Ooh. MSRP is $27. I thought they were more expensive than that. I've seen them going for like $15 at some places though. And there it is. It's pretty. I am pretty anxious to try this one actually. Getting ideas already. So that concludes this box. I'm very happy with this box. Really don't have any complaints. I wouldn't mind trying the sponge and a priming moisturizer. I'm very happy about everything I've got. I'm really interested in hearing about y'all's variations and if y'all are happy. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Boxycharming, happy shopping, happy bargain hunting, happy life. Bye guys.